Part of the overall idea behind the mudroom was to incorporate not just areas for storage, but for laundry as well. So we included the large capacity washer dryer, which are Wi-Fi enabled, meaning that you can download an app, you can turn the washer on after you've left the house. It's that simple. But to take it even beyond that for simplicity, we included what is really neat. It's called the LG Styler, and it's a steam closet that is essentially a dry cleaning unit all in one. It gentle cleans, it reduces wrinkles, it eliminates odors, and it removes 99.9% of allergens. In keeping with a space that isn't just utilitarian and wanting to incorporate a lot of pieces that also add to the beauty of the space, we included an acrylic rod for hanging up the delicates. These are our Curry & Company lights over the top, which transport us a bit to the French countryside. And then of course we have our Schumacher wallpaper, which is wipeable, spongeable. It'll handle the kids' handprints on it. And not to be overlooked, our acrylic outlet covers, because we didn't want to hide the wallpaper. We wanted to show them off.